unwittingly, perhaps, you found yourself in a few MMA-related headlines after the last Bellator show. You ended up on the MMA Hour, and there was a little bit of a fallout from that, which, you know, a lot of it seems to have calmed down. Scott Coker was talking about people that were talking about fixed fights need to talk to Viacom Legal. Yeah. Has there been any connection with Bellator and you? Because you were quite vocal in terms of how you thought that fight finished.
Yeah, no, there's been nothing coming. I made my stance clear. You know, I put out a very flippant tweet, and sometimes I forget that I'm a UFC analyst and I think I'm just an MMA fan. And my first gut instinct is just to put out something stupid and kind of funny to get a reaction. And I was disappointed in Chael's performance. That was the bottom line. And I went on Ario's show, I went on a few others, and kind of discussed it and made my point clear. I think Bellator know that I wasn't attacking them directly. I don't think they had any kind of involvement. Personally, the onus falls on Chael because he just didn't show up to fight, in my opinion. And I was disappointed for Tito as well. Obviously, you know, he got the win that he wanted, but I think he was disappointed that Chael didn't give him the fight that he showed up for. I mean, Tito looked in great shape. And the other thing that frustrates me as well is, you know, Bellator have got so much talent on their roster. Why are we watching these old relics battle it out in main events? I want to see the talented fighters that they've already got competing. I mean, you know, Daley McDonald is a great fight. What a great fight. MVP, you know, we need to see more of that kid. We need to see him matched up against, you know, contenders that we know their status, we know where they're at. You know, I think they've got talent on their roster that need to push more. And I know that they're trying to bring in their markets with the big old names, but they don't get the performances out of these big old names, especially when they're reaching 40 and they're just not on their game anymore. You know.